Good morning. Hey guys, so we are in Minneapolis. It's our 8-year anniversary weekend, and I decided to surprise Gabby with a little getaway trip just for me and her. So we're in the cities, we're at our Airbnb right now. We just woke up and we have no agenda. We're gonna go get some coffee and just kind of do whatever today. Hopefully go to a comedy show tonight or something like that. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna film some stuff and show you guys around a little bit.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So we're off to go get some coffee to start the day, and then we're gonna take some pictures. I love the cities. I'm glad we came up here. Kind of surprised Gabby. She didn't really know what was gonna happen, and then bam, the man came through. Coffee time. Camera drama. So we're back at our Airbnb right now. This morning I didn't film like too much, but Gabby wanted to show me IKEA, so we get some bus ideas and stuff. We actually did pick up quite a bit of ideas from there. Otherwise, I went to an ukulele shop called, what was it called? Groth Music in Bloomington, Minnesota. They had a bunch of Kala stuff, and they had Martin stuff though too, so it was pretty awesome. Now we picked like a really bad weekend to come up here. We didn't really think about looking at the weather. We're from South Dakota, we get bad weather and stuff like that, but like we're not in a huge city, and now we're in Minneapolis and it's supposed to be like a blizzard. Now we parked up our vehicle for the night so it's not going to get towed or anything like that, or a ticket, and now we're just going to walk. So just bundling up. You can't tell, but I have 2 layers of pants on. Maybe you can tell in the sweatshirt. 2 layers sweatshirt. Gabby's get the camera bag ready. We're going to go take some film pictures today. Just go walk down Hennepin and go check out some fun stuff to do, and maybe go to a comedy show tonight. Just love the time in the cities, always. Then tomorrow, after it's completely blizzarded, completely blanketed. Snow is blanketed tomorrow.
I believe would be the proper way.
Once it's covered in snow outside tomorrow, we're gonna go take some skyline pictures and stuff like that. It's the apocalypse. Hi guys, we are on foot officially walking through Minneapolis. A big snowstorm.
Snowpocalypse.
The snowpocalypse. That's good. She is good. We're going to the Wedge right now. The co-op, is that?
Yep.
We're gonna see what kind of sweet local kombuchas they have, and we'll get some lunch, and then we're gonna go walk up and down Hennepin and do any fun thing that comes to mind. I seen a shop that had ukuleles hanging in the window. I want to check that out, and there's just a bunch of cool stuff down there. It's Minneapolis. There's cool stuff everywhere. We're still walking in a snowstorm, and it's pretty snowy. We're just walking around. If we drove, it'd be crazy up here in the cities, and parking, you got to be careful where you're parking because they're plowing every which direction, and we know that they're plowing one side of the street right now, so we're parked on the other side. We don't want to lose our spot. So anyways, we're walking over to Hennepin. We're getting farther and farther away from our Airbnb and just surviving the storm. We're in a little mall on Hennepin. We had to stop because our phones were dying, and we gotta keep them charged. We're gonna be out on foot all night until this comedy show later. What's the dude's name we're going to? Drew Michael. Going to see Drew Michael tonight at the Acme Comedy Club, I think. We're in this mall getting some teas, and that's all I got. It's the only update.
Yeah.
What a wonderful world.
Probably can't see me, but We're on our 8-year anniversary dinner date right now. We are at Copper Pot, authentic Indian food. I cannot wait to eat. And there's my babe. Babe. It's our last day in Minneapolis. We just woke up, we're gonna get coffee. We just checked out of our Airbnb. There's cars, everybody's just covered in snow. It was a crazy snowstorm. We were out driving around until like 1:30 in the morning, like crazy people getting donuts and shit. So anyways, we're just gonna go try to enjoy the day. It's sunny today. We're gonna go get some pictures because it snowed too much yesterday. We didn't want to damage any equipment. So we're gonna go drive up and down Hennepin and actually maybe go in some places today. Then we are gonna go to Tiny Town to look at more ukulele stuff. Twin Town Guitars. It's ukulele time.